Yeah. It's been maybe 2 or 3 days. I don't know. But this is my hair. And I put a lot of product in it because I didn't want it to feel dry or anything like that. It didn't feel dry, but I was just nervous because it's so bright. But now I had a twist in my hair. I just took the twist out and finger detangled my hair a little bit. Now I'm about to use these products. It's a protein treatment and it's for serious care and protection. And I'm trying to take serious care and protect my hair.
Am I a rapper?
So I'm about to do that. Wash all this product out. I'm just gonna be washing it with this shampoo, the same shampoo I've been using. And I need to find my comb, my wide tooth comb. I was so nervous to get this because it says for professional use only with an exclamation point. And usually when people put exclamation points, they be serious. I'm excited to use these products, very nervous. But we shall see, y'all, we shall see. So my hair is clean, gently cleansed. It still felt really good when I was washing it, like it didn't feel damaged or anything. I have to apply it to my hair evenly and use a wide tooth comb. Here it goes. It's not that bad. I don't have a spray bottle. I do, but I don't know where it is right now. But yeah, let's just get to cooking, child. My hair looks so good. Wow. And I'm just gonna section it off. Oh, it's very liquidy. Ooh. I need a spray bottle. It feel like water. Why too cold? I don't know. Do I need to put some more? Whatever. Okay. I'm just gonna. Is that a bad idea? I don't know. My hair feels so sticky and crunchy. So I'm about to rinse this out stuck on my ear. I'm about to rinse this out and then go in with the balancing moisturizer. It feels strong or something. I don't know. It even look a little stiff. Okay, so now we're about to go in with this. Okay, massage into hair and scalp. Smells like a chemical. This feels really good. It gave balance. Now I'm gonna let this sit in my hair for 2 minutes and then I'm gonna rinse it out. 10 out of 10, definitely recommend. My hair does feel a little softer, a little thicker. Now I'm about to style my hair. I'm just gonna put some leave-in conditioner in there, moisturize it, and then twist it up. And I'm gonna take out my twists whenever I have to go out in public for a long periodically time. But for now, it looks good, it feels good. Yeah. You rock hard, I rock steady. So walk right up to the side of my mountain, climb until you reach my peak, baby, peak, baby, peak. This is all the shed hair. Wow, proud of me. Years ago, it used to be mountains of shed hair, and now it's just a little bit. Just as you say.
Clearly, I was feeling myself too much and forgot the outro. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Zoxo here.